Hi guys, thanks for joining us. I'm out in the woods today, beautiful mixed woodland in Warwickshire. I've had a really good walk around here. It's absolutely fantastic here. Yeah, brilliant. And the weather today is absolutely amazing. I can't believe this is the middle of Feb. So anyway, I've cooked myself up fantastic pork chorizo burger. There we go, look at that, that's lovely. I served that up with homemade woods made caramelized onion chutney. It's got a bit of apple in there as well. Serve that with rocket on a nice ciabatta. But that's not what this video is about. If you want to see how I put all that together, I'm going to do a video on it. So please subscribe to the channel and yeah, watch that if you're interested, or any other cooking videos that I've got. But yeah, the reason for today's video is I'm going to be unboxing this. So this is a Ionosphere by Snugpak. It's a one-man tent, and I've gone for this tent because I want to try and introduce a bit of camping and adventure into my channel. I'll still be doing the cooking as well, so you know I'm still supporting the subscribers that have been good enough to join me on this journey. But yeah, I'm going to start introducing some wild camping, some stealth camping, and yeah, really looking forward to it. So anyway, I'm going to unbox this on camera. I'm going to see what's in the box, and in future videos I'm going to see whether I've made the right choice in buying it or not. So anyway, let's open this up and yeah, let's see what's inside. Right, before we open this up, let's just have a look at some of the stats on here. We've got a pack weight of 1.5 kilos or 3.3 pounds. So although it may not be the lightest on the market, for the price that you're paying, that's a pretty lightweight tent. Pack size 48 by 14 centimeters or 19 by 6 inches. So yeah, again, fairly compact. It's a nice sort of size to be fitting in your rucksack or strapping to the outside. It's got a single entry with a porch. It's got information about the fly sheet there and the inner tent. The inner tent is complete mesh on there, from what I understand. So that should be good for keeping the bugs out and keeping the moisture down. This dimension here, this was of particular interest to me when I was looking for a tent. I wanted a one-man tent, but I wanted to be able to have a little bit of space in there as well. I'm over 6 foot, so this accommodates my height quite easily. But width-wise, it's 35 inches or 90 centimeters, so that's just under 3 foot, which is about the same size as a single mattress, the same width as a single mattress, like a household mattress. So that's plenty wide enough to get myself in there, and a rucksack alongside me as well, or maybe at a push you could even fit 2 people in it. Height wise, it's not very high. It's only 75 centimeters or 30 inches, so I'm probably not going to be able to sit up in here. But the advantage of having a low tent is obviously it's keeps it close to the ground and you're less likely to be seen. So the colour that I've gone for, this tent comes in 2 colours. It comes in olive green, or this is the new terrain pattern that Snugpak do. They use this pattern across a variety of their products, jackets and sleeping bags. Yeah, and they've started doing it on the Ionosphere. So anyway, yeah, that's enough of the stats run through. Let's get this thing opened. Let's see what's inside. Right, so we have it, pretty well packaged. Going to help protect it in transit. Actually looks quite a bit smaller now you get it out of the box. That's a lovely sized little tent, that is. So yeah, let's open this up and let's see what we've got inside here. Right, this looks a great little bag actually. It's got the little roll top on it, compression straps. So yeah, I'm impressed with that for a start. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, we've got some instructions and down the bottom of the bag, connected in with a little toggle. we've got a repair kit and instructions. I doubt if there's more instructions in there, so I think they've just come out of the bag. Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, repair kit. We've got a bit of mesh, bit of what looks like the ground sheet, and the outer fly as well. We've got a tent pole repair and a spare guy line. I do remember reading that you need some glue for this as well, to complete the kit. They don't ship the glue because they can't, basically, for international shipping. So you will have to get some glue to make this usable. Right, in here we've got some pegs. Let's take a look at these. Yeah, very strong, very light aluminium pegs. So yeah, they're great. So how many have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pegs. And then poles. Right, we've got 2 poles here. They're colour coded. So I've got 1 black pole, 1 green pole. We've obviously got the fly sheet and the inner. So yeah, that's basically the kit. Yeah, let's get this set up and see what it looks like. I'm not going to read the instructions. I've seen a few YouTube videos before purchasing this. It looks pretty straightforward to set up. So yeah, I'm just going to crack on and give it a go. Right, so the 2 poles that I've got there, got one bigger than the other. So I know the big one is going to go up the top end. Okay, so we've got the top end here with the door, and down this end is the bottom end. Actually, that's a nice touch. I just spotted the green tags on the end there, so that makes it completely obvious which one's which. They go in there nice and easy. These poles are pretty standard. You just kind of slide them through and push it into the hole. There's 2 holes there. I'm going to put it on the inner one. Okay, time to peg this out. It's not a freestanding tent, this one. The sort of camping I'm going to be doing, it shouldn't cause me a problem. Right, so there we go. That's the inner tent. As you can see, it's a mesh all the way over the top and around the hood area. It's going to be brilliant for reducing condensation. Yeah, it's also going to keep those bugs out. It also means that if I just want to sleep with just a tarp, or even just out looking at the stars, this is going to be ideal, and it's going to keep the mozzies off as well. So yeah, really impressed with that so far. Right, time to get this fly sheet on. Okay, on the fly sheet, there should be, there we go, just some little Velcro tabs there. I just need to wrap those around this little exposed section of pole. Got one of those on each side. That's it. And we've got the same again down the bottom end. Okay, now I've done those Velcro tabs, so I can just go around and pin down this fly sheet. It's actually got a surprising amount of tie down points. So I guess that's going to be quite an advantage when you're out in the wind. So yeah, one peg left. That is for this guy lying at the back. It's nice. That's packaging on there. It's not plastic, it's paper and thread. So it's brilliant. Yeah, well done Snugpak on that one. Yeah, with all those tie down points, and being as this is so low to the ground, you don't actually need any guys other than this little one. Actually, there's one more guy there, but I guess that can go down and share the same point if you got there. So there you have it. Snugpak Ionosphere, one-man tent in terrain pattern. Yeah, looks pretty awesome, doesn't it? Right, let's have a look inside, see how much room we've got. Right, so it's just the one door on this. It's only a one-man tent, so that's probably all you need, really. Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty roomy inside, actually. But yeah, certainly a good length on there. On the internet, I've seen people over 6 foot using these. About 6.5 foot, I think I saw one guy. So yeah, lengthwise isn't a problem. And if we look at the width on that as well, like I said from the box earlier, we've got a 35-inch width on there, so that's plenty enough room to lay down and sleep in, and maybe get a small rucksack alongside me there. All right, let's have a go at getting inside then. I know these one-man tents can be a little bit tricky to get into sometimes. I'm not going to be able to get in head first and turn around. I'm obviously too big for that. Normal way is to kind of put your feet in first and shuffle down. That means kind of maybe touching your backside on the mud here. One way that I did see on the internet that some guy tried, I'm gonna try that now. Yeah, see if I can do it. So I'm gonna slip my boots off. I want to get the inside of the tent dirty. That's a good tip. Keep your hands clean. Perfect. That is absolutely amazing. Yeah, really impressed with that. I mean, it's quite low, which I like, but it's not so low that it feels claustrophobic, and you've got plenty of space out to the sides here as well. Good size opening door, so it does make it easy for getting in and out. Yeah, and I've got a great view across the woods from here. So yeah, very impressed with that. Yep, and getting out, it's just going to be a reverse of getting in. Easy. I like that. Cool. So there you have it. So yeah, overall first impressions, very impressed. Very easy to set up. It's very quick. I didn't time it, but first time without reading the instructions, I know it was under 10 minutes, I think. Colour, the colour's great. I mean, it blends in nicely. We're in the middle of winter here in the UK, so it's, I mean, I'm in a bit of evergreen, so it is a little bit camouflaged, but there's a lot of browns about, so this does stand out a little bit. But yeah, come spring and summertime, this is going to blend in a treat. So yeah, very, very impressed. Yeah, I look forward to taking this on some adventures. So anyway, that's about it for today. Hope you found this video useful. Hope you found it enjoyable. Yeah, if you're looking forward to seeing this out in the field, or out in the woods rather, yeah, please subscribe to the channel and join me on the adventures. So anyway, thanks for joining us. Hopefully see you in the next one.